Let's go through a 5-minute video about the AI augment capability in Corvic. In this demo, we will be taking some tweets information, and there's some sample tweets that we have generated, and we will be categorizing the sentiment using an LLM. All right, let's upload this data, and now we will see that the data is now available for further work on it. So in order to use the AI augment, we will need an application created. So I'll go ahead and create one. We have the empty canvas now available. Let's drag this tweet sample data source in. Let's also extract the table from it. It will help us understand the structure of this data and also understand what columns we have made available. Now we have the pipeline set up for a preview. We're going to run this so that the actual tasks underneath the pipeline are performed. And in a few seconds, the task has finished. We can now explore the structure of this data. We know that we have 30 rows, 6 columns, the timestamps when we created it. So here's the username, this tweet, and some data about the age and country of origin. Now we will go ahead with the sentiment analysis using LLM. In order to do this task, I will press the plus button on the output and select the augment option. We have AI, web, and code augment options available. Here we'll select the AI augment. We can choose the model of our choice based on our needs. Obviously, based on the choice of the model, the appropriate cost needs to be provisioned. For now, we will just continue with the default. And here are the instructions. That's simple enough. Let's go ahead and pass this instruction. And the instructions came back with the sentiment label. So tweet sentiment label is the output column that the LLM will detect. Let's add some more instructions. Let's update the prompt. The rest of the stuff looks okay, so I'll just update this. Now the clean sanitized prompt is available. That's determine the sentiment of each tweet based on its text and label. It has positive, negative, or neutral. The input column is the tweet, which is this string here, and the output is the tweet sentiment label. Now this looks good to me. I will go ahead and apply this to the pipeline and run it. It'll take a few seconds to run, and in a few seconds, the augment finishes. Now, the actual time taken would depend on the number of rows as well as the kind of subscription you have. It takes a few seconds for a small amount of data to finish. So let's now go into the output from the AI augment action and observe the outputs. So we have the same columns here, username, tweet, and so on. But now you see this new sentiment model. So it looks like someone had an amazing brunch and that was targeted as a positive sentiment, while there was a software update that was a disaster. And of course, that's a negative. That's how we can use the AI augment for sentiment analysis on Corvic AI. Thank you.